Hi guys, next two locks that we're going to pick, one is a master lock and it's the number 140, and the other one is a very cheap Chinese lock, padlock. What I found interesting is that the keyway is rather similar, so depending on the quality this might also... Okay, I will not install master lock, so it is not a master lock. Let's start first with the Chinese lock. It's a very easy pick. Basically you just put a tensioner and just rotate and just move it around and it will open eventually. There we go. So only with the tensioner. There are 3 pins inside and most of the time it locks. Okay, you can actually single pick it and it gives quite a good feedback on the pins. Let's use that for the keyway because the keyway is really tiny. Interestingly, as I said, the feedback of these 3 pins, it's really good. You hear some really good clicks on them. Oh, 4 pins? Impossible. Maybe I counted wrong. Well, that's the Chinese one. Let's do something a bit more interesting. That's the master lock. Again, it's a 4-pin lock and there are security pins inside. So at least it makes this lock a bit of a challenge to pick. There's pulls by the way they behave. I'm pretty sure there's pulls. I believe I overset something. Yes, I believe pin number... no. Okay, we got us a deep false set. Let's see who is next in line. That should be pin number 3, I guess. Come on, pin number 3. Pin number 1 again. Number 3. Then pin number 4. Number 3 again. Here we go, open. Number 1 was hanging once again. So that was the master lock 140 with at least 2 spools inside and a funny Chinese lock. Good, thanks for watching guys, stay safe and keep it legal. Cheers.